So now students, we all know that about, and we already discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Right, in previous classes also we solved some questions related to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? So students, when we take a question related to addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, these all operation in a one question. So students, these all things come in your chapter number 10, simplification, order of operations, right? This is your chapter number 10. Simplification. Order of operations. So dear students, after studying this chapter, you will be able to simplifying expressions with more than one operation using BODMAS, BODMAS, right? So here first we will discuss here BODMAS. So now students, there is a proper sequence of these all operations in this chapter, and after that here we solve some questions related to, and we follow the sequence of these all operations here, and we solve some questions related to simplification, chapter number 10. Friends, the sequence of these all operations is BODMAS. Okay, now BODMAS. Okay, now here we discuss what is the meaning of this BODMAS, BODMAS. So B mean bracket. So if the question having bracket, so here first we solve bracket here. Then what is the meaning of O here? D, M, A and S. Now O mean off. If the question having off, then here first we solve off. Then D means divide. Then multiplication, M mean multiplication. Then A means addition. S means subtraction. S means subtraction. Okay, so if the question is given related to simplification, so here we follow this sequence, right? BODMAS. So first we solve bracket, after that off, then divide, then multiplication, then addition, and the last subtraction, right? Now students, here we take some examples and some questions related to simplification. So now students, here we take questions related to DMAS, right? DMAS. So here there is no off and bracket here, only divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? Now here we take first question here related to DMAS. Now the question number 1, and the question is 28 minus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4. Now, so here first we solve divide. So there is no divide symbol here, right? Now multiplication. So here first we solve this part of this question. 3 multiplied by 5. So if we write 28 minus 3 5s are 15 plus 4. Now after that we solve addition. So now, dear students, you all know that if there is no symbol mentioned with the number, it means the number having positive symbol. Now here 28 is positive and 4 is positive here. So here we add 28 plus 4 minus 15. So first we add these two numbers here. 28 plus 4, 32 minus 15. Now after that, here we subtract 32 minus 15. So when we subtract 32 minus 15, we get, so here we take one carry here, and this number change into 12. 12 minus 5, 7, and 2 minus 1, because here is 2 is left here, right? 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so here we get 17. So when we solve these question here, we get 17 as answer. Now students, here we solve another question here. Now the second question, 45 minus 4 multiply 16 divide by 2 minus 2, right? So now here we write this question here, 45 minus 4 multiply by 16 divide by 2 minus 2. Now, so you all know that students, here is first we solve divide, right? Because there is no of and bracket here. So here first we solve divide here. So this part of this question, 16 divided by 2. So how many times 16 divisible by 2? 2 8s are 16, right? 2 8s are 16. Then here we write minus 2 as it is here. We write other number as it is here, and here we solve only this part of this question, right? So now here we solve multiplication. After that, here we solve multiplication. After division, here we solve multiplication here, this part of this question. So now here we write 45 as it is here, then minus symbol as it is here, and 4 8s are 32. Then here we write minus 2 as it is here, right? So after that, students, here we solve addition here. So there is one number only which having positive symbol here. So now we solve subtraction. So 45 minus 32. Here we subtract 45 minus 32. We get 5 minus 2, 3, and 4 minus 3, 1. And here we write minus 2 as it is here. Now 13 minus 2, 11, right? So here when we solve this question here, 45 minus 4 multiply by 16 minus divide by 2 minus 2. So here we get 11 as a answer. Now students, here we solve the next question here. The question is 8 multiplied by 8 minus 6 multiplied by 6. So now the question is 8 multiplied by 8 and 6 multiplied by 6 minus 6 multiplied by 6. So here we write 8 multiplied by 8 minus 6 multiplied by 6. So what we do here after division, here is multiplication. So here we solve these two operations at the same time here, like 8 multiplied by 8 and 6 multiplied by 6. So 8 8s are 64 minus 6 6 are 36, right? After that, here we subtract these two number here. So here what we do here, 4 is greater, so here we subtract, right? 64 minus 36. So dear students, here we take one borrow from here. So this number change to 14 and this number 5 is left here, right? 14 minus 6, 8, and 5 minus 3, 2. So here 28 is left here, right? So when we solve 8 multiplied by 8 minus 6 multiplied by 6, so here we get 28 as answer. Now we solve another question related to simplification. So now here we take the next question here. 7 multiplied by 5 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 3, right? So now students, here we solve the next question here. So here we write 7 multiplied by 5 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 3, right? So here first we solve division here, because there is no bracket and off here. So here we solve division. So this part of this question, right? So 12 divided by 4. So how many times 12 divisible by 4? Right, 3 times. 4 3s are 12. So here we write 7 multiplied by 5. We write other numbers as it is here, other operations as it is here. Like 7 as it is here, multiplication as it is here, 5 as it is here, this minus symbol as it is here, and 4 3s are 12. So we write 3. Now we write minus as it is here and 3. Right. After that, after division, here we solve multiplication. So here is multiplication. So here we solve this part of this question. 7 5s are 35. Write minus as it is here, minus 3 as it is here. Right. Now here we solve addition. So there is only one number here which having positive symbol here. So here we subtract. After that, here we subtract these numbers here. 35 minus 3. 35 minus 3, 32, and write minus 3 as it is here. Now 32 minus 3. 32 minus 3, 29. So now students, when we solve this question, 7 multiplied by 5 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 3. So we get answer 29. So basically students, if you follow this sequence BODMAS or DMAS, right? DMAS. So you get the correct answer. Here we solve another question here. So here we write 4 upon 7 divide by 6 upon 7. Here we write of 8 upon 9 plus 1 upon 4. So now students, here we solve the next question here. Four upon 7 divide by 6 upon 7 of 8 upon 9 plus 1 upon 4. So now here we write 4 upon 7 divide by 6 upon 7 of 8 upon 9 plus 1 upon 4. Now students, you all know that here we follow this sequence here. So there is no bracket here, but there is off, right? So here first we solve this off here, this part of this question, right? So you all know that off mean multiplication, right? Off mean multiplication. So here we replace this off by using multiplication symbol. So here, so dear students, here we write other number as it is here, like 4 upon 7, this divide symbol, and here we write 6 upon 7 multiplication. Here we replace this off by using multiplication symbol here, 8 upon 9 plus 1 upon 4. Now after that we solve this part, right? So dear students, here this 9 and this 6 divisible by 3, right? 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now after that there is no other number divisible by the other number here, numerator and denominator. So here 4 upon 7 divide, and after that here we multiply these two number here. 2 8s are 16 upon 7 3s are 21. Right? Now plus 1 upon 4, we write as it is here. Now students, here after off, here is division here, right? So here we solve this part of this question. And dear students, you will know that how we solve division and fraction number. So what we do here we write 4 upon 7 as it is here, and here we take reciprocal of the second fraction, this. And what is the reciprocal of second number or the fraction number? Here numerator change into denominator and denominator change into numerator, and divide symbol change into multiplication. So now 21 is a denominator here, this 21 change into numerator and this 16 change into denominator. Now we write other number as it is here, right? Now after that here we solve this part of this question. So here this 16 is divisible by 4, 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16, and this 21 divisible by 7, 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21. Now after that here we multiply 1 and 3, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4s are 4. Now plus 1 upon 4. And dear students, you all know that because these both fraction are like fraction, because these both fraction having the same denominator 4 and 4, and you all know that how we add like fractions. So we take 4 as a common denominator, and after that we add two numerators here, 3 plus 1, and 3 plus 1 equal to 4, right? And 4 upon 4, right? 4 upon 4 mean here 4 1s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. here we get 1, right? So when we solve 4 upon 7 divided by 6 upon 7 of 8 upon 9 plus 1 upon 4, so here we get 1 as an answer, right? Question here, 9 plus 9 multiplied by 6 upon 18 minus 16 divided by 4. Okay, so now students, what we do here first we solve bracket, so there is no bracket here, there is no off here, and divide. So where is divide? Divide is here, right? So here first we write this question here, 9 plus 9 multiplied by 6 upon 18 minus 16 divided by 4. Okay, so here first we solve this part of this question. So how many times 16 divisible by 4? 4 4s are 16, right? So dear students, we also solve this question like this. So here we solve upper part separately and lower part separately, right? So now after that, here is multiplication. So where is multiplication? Multiplication is here. So 9 6 are 54, right? And here we write 18 minus 4. Now after that, here we solve addition. 9 plus 54. 9 plus 54 equal to 63, right? Now 18 minus 4, 14. Okay, so 9 plus 54, 63, right? And 18 minus 4, 14. Okay, now these both number, numerator and denominator, divisible by 7. 7 9s are 63 and 7 2s are 14. Now here we get 9 upon 2. And dear students, you all know that this is an improper fraction, right? 9 upon 2. So here we write improper fraction into mixed number. So how we write improper fraction into mixed number? So here we divide numerator by denominator 2, right? So 2 4s are 8 and 9 minus 8 1. So here we write quotient here. Now here we write remainder and here we write divisor. So here we get 4 whole 1 upon 2. So dear students, if we solve this type of question in simplification, chapter number 10, so here it is compulsory to follow this order, right? This order, BODMAS, BODMAS, right? So now students, here we solve 9 plus 9 multiply by 6 upon 18 minus 16 divided by 4. So we get answer 4 whole 1 upon 2, right? Dear student, I also give these type of question in your worksheet.